Hello students. Today I will continue with common errors in English, part 2. In the previous video, I taught you a few sentences and discussed about the common errors in English language and structure. Now let us continue with the same, and you will come to know that what are the other probable areas where you find an error there in the sentences. Here I proceed with you find a sentence on the top that has a mistake. An honest man is the noblest work of God. If you look at this sentence, the error is lying there right in the beginning, that is the use of an article. Actually, the word honest, H-O-N-E-S-T, begins with H, which is a consonant as far as the spelling is concerned. But when you pronounce it, the pronunciation of this word begins with O, honest. And that's why it demands an article, A-N-N. So instead of using article A, if you use an, then the sentence will be the correct one. So the correct sentence is, an honest man is the noblest work of God. Another sentence, many overseas students prefer universities in Great Britain. See, apparently you will feel that there is no error in the sentence. But actually, the words like Great Britain, United States of America, UAE, whenever you are using these, always remember that you should use the definite article the before these words. Like always say, the United States of America, the Great Britain. Okay. So here, the lack of the article is making this sentence an incorrect one. So the correct sentence will be, many overseas students prefer universities in the Great Britain. Another sentence, each of the players are running for the ball. See, many people get confused while using the appropriate verb, and most of the students also get confused with the word players. So players is in plural, so if at all you use are, that will be appropriate, but that is not the case. When you are using the expression like each of the, mind it well, the word each of the indicates you may have many players, but you are talking about each one of them independently. So here, the use of the verb, that is the auxiliary verb are, is wrong. You should use is there instead of are. So the correct sentence will be, each of the players is running for the ball. Next sentence, let us await for them here. Mind it well, the word await is not used after let us. Okay, that will not be the appropriate use as far as English customs are concerned. So you should say, let us wait for them here. Okay, so let us wait. Don't ever say, let us await. Let us wait for them here. Next sentence. The principal and lecturer were present during the incident. Some incident might have taken place, and it is said that the principal along with the lecturers or the lecturer both were present over there. But here you will find the absence of an article before the word lecturer. As you said, the principal. Likewise, you need to specify with a definite article, the lecturer. So you cannot use the article once, equally applicable for both, right? So the correct sentence will be, the principal and the lecturer were present during the incident. Another sentence. Go, fetch me a piece of chalk. See, to go and to fetch, both cannot be clubbed together and used together. When you say to fetch, it means to go and do something for me, to go and get something for me, right? So please don't use both the words together. So you need to eliminate go. Then the correct sentence will be, fetch me a piece of chalk. That's all. Another sentence. As he was lazy, so he failed. See here, in this sentence, you have actually used as and so together, which is not actually accepted. Either you say he was lazy, so he failed, it will be absolutely correct. Otherwise, you can say, as he was lazy, comma, he failed. This will also be equally correct. So, the correct sentence you can say in two ways. As he was lazy, comma, he failed. Number two, he was lazy, so he failed. Okay, this way only. So these two, as and so, together you cannot use in a sentence. Another sentence. I like to hear to the radio. Mind it well, there is a difference between to hear and to listen. To listen always demands your attention. It is inclusive. Whereas to hear means any sound will come to your ear cavity, right? Whether you pay attention or not, that is secondary. So here you should say, I like to listen to the radio, instead of saying, I like to hear to the radio. You should always say, I like to listen to the radio. One of us are dead wrong. Suppose actually the use of the verb are is wrong here. Whenever you are using a phrase one of, it should always be followed by a singular verb. Then you should say, one of us is dead wrong. Okay, not all of us are wrong there, or both of us are wrong there. Actually, one of the two or one of the many is dead wrong. The correct sentence will be, one of us is dead wrong. The whole family are meeting up this festival. See, the use of the verb are is wrong here. Family is a collective noun. Of course, family is, consisted of more than one member or members. Then only you call it a family. So you say here, the whole family are meeting up this festival. So you should say, the whole family is meeting up this festival. Instead of using are, is the appropriate verb over here. So these are the sentences that we could, discuss today. Thank you very much.